I remember when we conceptualized this idea less than 2 years ago, and it was really just a matter of finding a way to celebrate the nonprofits in the community. What was the best way to do that, and what was missing in the community? Was there an opportunity for us to celebrate them in a way that hadn't been done before? And we thought this would be a great way to do it, is to have an Academy Award style event where we get to bring the nonprofit community to the forefront, make a day that is incredible for them to get the opportunity to shine, and to really get an opportunity to bring the conduit of the community leadership, business leaders together.
I feel like a celebrity, a nonprofit celebrity, yeah? And it's nice to be recognized. We see such sad stories every day, and to be able to come together and feel this wonderful family and vibe, it's very much appreciated.
I went and got new shoes so I could walk on the red carpet.
The Seminole Hard Rock is very involved in philanthropy in the South Florida area, and when we had the opportunity to step up and be involved with an organization that handled so many charities, we just couldn't resist. So we thought it was such a wonderful cause to be involved in, and last year we sponsored the Rising Star Award for this. And when we saw the impact that this was having on the community and the enthusiasm that it was received by from all the honorees and the people in the different charities that never really get a chance to be honored this way. It's the unsung heroes that work day in and day out and take care of so many people in our community. We just wanted to help with that and make it a special day for them.
This is very nice, Social services is a hard field. Usually, very little rewards in terms of salary, etc. People are in it for their heart. So it's nice to get an occasional recognition.
It's all about the beauty of honoring them. They honor so many of the community's donors and supporters and volunteers, but no one honors them. So this is a real tribute to them, and we're happy to do it.
We are absolutely honored to be here today. We're really excited, and even just the recognition of being a rising star, it makes it all worthwhile. I mean, we already are feeling so excited.
We're very humbled by it. I mean, we do what we do. We're in our little nonprofit world, and we're helping out, and to be recognized for it is it's just like icing on the cake.
And I have to say, Broward County has embraced KidSafe, and that's been a huge part of why we are here today.
Yes, we've been doing a whole project with ChildNet and training all the foster care families with sexual abuse prevention, and they've all the foster families have been giving our children's book that just won an award that we published called My Body is Special and Belongs to Me. A wonderful book, and we were really excited to be part of this project.
211 is a 24-hour health and human services hotline for people in crisis or in need of health and human services assistance.
I think it's wonderful. I think 211 does a great job. I think it's very nice to have all the nonprofits brought out here and celebrating us and all the good work we do, so we're grateful to be here.
Oh, this is so exciting. Yeah, none of us go into this for awards and glamour and all, but this is so exciting. And if we don't win, it was just so much fun being part of this, and if we do win, the kids are going to be super excited when I bring it home to Flight. They were all very, very excited when I told them we were nominated, so it's very cool.
Hopefully, we'll be recognized for 110 years of service in Florida. So we're one of the oldest nonprofit child welfare organizations in the state of Florida. So we've been around before the child welfare system even existed, working with foster care kids and abuse prevention.
It's huge. Jack and Jill actually were celebrating our 70th anniversary this year, so it is. It's a tribute to the amount of time that our organization itself and our community has invested in trying to change the lives of vulnerable families. So it's huge to get nominated in our anniversary year. It means a lot.
Personally, I think it's great. I'm hoping that it's going to get us the kind of recognition that we need. I mean, we've got about almost 20,000 unique IPs coming to our site every month. That's double what it was about a year ago, and we're hoping to get more broadly known, so more people come and more people can appreciate what we're doing and hopefully help us out.
The reason to be a sponsor for us is we are sponsoring the Advocacy Award, and advocacy is all about making sure that the nonprofit organizations get out there and tell their story, because that is so important in order for them to complete their mission. So it's a natural fit for the WASIE Foundation to be a part of this event.
Forever Family is a nonprofit organization. We partner with the Children's Services Council of Broward County, NBC Miami, and several TV stations across the state of Florida and North Carolina. And our sole focus is to raise awareness and help for children in the dependency system. I I'm very excited and honored to be here today, especially among some of these really wonderful other nominees. And we hope that we win, but if we don't, we're certainly happy for the other organizations, Lauren's Kids and Lighthouse for the Blind. We know them well and we love their work too, so a win for them is really a win for all of us.
We're the Lighthouse of Broward. We're the only private nonprofit agency in Broward County that serves people who are blind or visually impaired from all ages, from little tiny babies to people over 100 years old. No? I'm excited. I think it's great. I mean, everybody here is wonderful. You know, all of these nonprofits, I mean, we're awesome. We all work together, and I just think that everybody basically serves people. I mean, people don't have just one problem. And so when they need some help, we all work together because we all have expertise we can share. So I think it's great.
KidSafe's on a mission to bring KidSafe's on a mission to bring prevention education to children, parents, and teachers to decrease child abuse, sexual abuse, bullying, and internet safety dangers.
We have taught 25,000 children throughout South Florida. And we also provide parent lectures, teacher trainings. Anybody that works with children, we train. And everything has really been through word of mouth, but they can reach us on our website, www.kidsafefoundation.org. We became a 501c3 nonprofit in 2009, but we've been working on the curriculum for almost 7 years.
I'm very fortunate to run a large agency, $11-point-some million, 90 employees. We do safety net services like abuse and neglect, mental health, substance abuse, HIV/AIDS, and we just actually received the Touch Grant, which is the only one in the state of Florida to actually transform our community's health. Deals with everything from child care centers to health and wellness programs and all kinds of great things, tying it all together.
We work with families to break the cycle of poverty for low-income working families in Broward County. So we work to help establish early education for their children and allow the families to remain in the workforce and provide holistic services for that parent as they're going through the steps to break the cycle of poverty. So financial literacy, work empowerment programs, reductions of abuse and neglect programs, a lot of advocacy and education for the families.
We are a new organization and we're 100% collaboration. There's 4 staff that work at my organization, and we partner with about 30-40 different organizations to be able to provide holistic services to the kids that are in and aging out of the foster care system in Broward County. We're a project of the Junior League of Greater Fort Lauderdale with the support of the Community Foundation and the United Way. And we've also had support from Children's Services Council, Workforce One, ChildNet, Jim Moran Foundation, A.D. Henderson Foundation. So, yes, and that's why this really is, the Flight Center really is a whole community collaborative working for these kids. It's very exciting. Yes, we opened in September of 2009 and to be able to serve as the hub for services for the kids aging out so that they would have one place to go, and we would bring all the services they need to them so that they can get served in a comfortable, safe environment.
Broward Bulldog is a not-for-profit news site here based in Broward County, obviously, and it's been around for a couple of years. I started it after I got laid off from the Miami Herald as part of the general meltdown of newspapers that's occurring here, not only in South Florida but across the country. And I've got a staff of, I think there's about 10 people working for us now, off and on, and we're trying to make a difference and report news that's not being reported in the daily newspapers anymore.
I just want to stand next to those 2 guys. Do I get to do that?